I'm ready for ya! Woo!
Spatial audio is the way we hear in real life, and so emulating that is the primary difference and gets us closer to what it really means to be involved in an experience.
When the OZO VR camera project started, the goal from day one was to deliver a capture device that captured both video and audio, and capture them both in 3D and in 360 at the same time.
It's a difficult thing to achieve. You're making a big jump to go from stereo to spatial, which is something I think Nokia has done very well with, in being able to take the professional technology that they've used for their OZO camera and moved it into the phone technology in a way that makes it much more accessible to consumers.
If we really want to make people feel and be engaged in a specific piece of content, having a very well-crafted, immersive sound associated with that visual is very, very important. With OZO audio-enabled devices, you are no longer just watching a video, you are part of the experience.